How to Chromecast Peacock TV. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to Chromecast Peacock TV to your TV, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the big screen. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, make sure your Chromecast device is plugged into your TV and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't set up your Chromecast yet, follow the on-screen instructions provided by Google to get it connected. Now grab your smartphone or tablet and open the Peacock TV app. If you don't have it installed, head to the Google Play Store or App Store to download it and install it. Once it's open, log into your Peacock account. Browse through the app to find the show or movie you'd like to watch. Once you've selected the content, you'll notice a cast icon in the upper right corner of the screen. It looks like a small rectangle with a Wi-Fi symbol in the corner. Tap on the cast icon and a lot of available devices will appear. Select your Chromecast device from the list. Once connected, the content will begin to play on your TV. You can use your device as a remote to pause, rewind, or change shows. When you've finished watching, you can easily disconnect from the Chromecast. Just tap the cast icon again and select disconnect or stop casting. Your content will stop playing on the TV and you can continue using your device as normal. And that's how you Chromecast Peacock TV enjoy all your favorite content on a larger screen for a better viewing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.